Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nel Sasson, and today I'm making spaghetti tacos from the sitcom iCarly. This recipe includes taco shells, ground beef, marinara sauce, cans of mushrooms, capers, 7 cloves of garlic, 1 onion, salt, black pepper, Rao's homemade spaghetti noodles, and sugar. And our special ingredients include oregano, basil, onion powder, garlic powder, and anchovies! To start, let's coat our pot with oil and make sure to get another pot to start the boiling water for the noodles early. Our first ingredient will be a spoonful of oregano to add a distinctive flavor and aroma. Our second ingredient will be a few dashes of basil to add a fresh aromatic flavor that enhances the overall taste of the dish. Then stir a little so it cooks a little. Once you've done that, add 2 anchovies to the pot so it can have that umami taste. Umami is one of the 5 basic tastes alongside sweet, sour, bitter, and salty. The term umami is Japanese and can be translated to pleasant savory taste. Once your anchovies are in the pot, break them up with your spatula. After that, add a tablespoon of capers to the pot and stir. Capers are used to add a burst of tangy, briny flavor. Now sprinkle some of that Himalayan pink salt into the pot. After putting in that salt, add some black pepper. We're using a lot. Now it's time to add a few dashes of garlic and onion powder into the pot to enhance the flavor of the dish and deepen the flavors of the sauce. Now we can cut an onion and crush our 7 cloves of garlic. First, add the garlic and stir until cooked, and then add the chopped onions and stir. When adding these ingredients, this slightly enhances the dish, and when sauteed, they release their natural sugars. Now that we've sauteed our garlic and onions, it's time to add your cans of tiny mushrooms to the pot. Make sure you drain the juice because we don't want this sauce to be too soupy. Oh, I almost forgot about the pot of boiling water. Let's add our noodles to the pot and let it cook for about 9 minutes. And make sure to stir occasionally. Also, I was today years old when I discovered this, but if you don't want the water to overflow, use a wooden spoon over the pot and cover it with the lid. I don't know why it works, but it is what it is. Alright, now that the mushrooms have had time to cook, it's time to cook our ground beef. Stir until cooked, and then we can add the Rao's homemade marinara sauce. If you want to use spaghetti sauce from a jar, you can use Rao's marinara sauce or Newman's own sauce. Those are the best type of spaghetti sauces. Now that the spaghetti sauce has been added, add a bit of sugar to help balance the sharpness of the tomatoes. You don't want to add too much sugar because it'll be too sweet. Alright, time to do a taste test to see if it needs more sazon. This sauce is perfect. It has a good taste of flavor, aroma, and aftertaste. Now that our spaghetti is ready, it's time for the best moment, preparing our spaghetti tacos. When iCarly used to appear on TV, as a kid, I always wanted to try their spaghetti tacos. Now that I'm a chef, I finally made the recipe. Also, if you're wondering how to say spaghetti tacos in Spanish, it's tacos de espagueti. Mucha gente que conozco no quieren probar los tacos de espagueti. No lo entiendo. And now it's time to do a finishing touch by adding Parmesan cheese. Sprinkle that Parmesan cheese on the tacos and it'll be done. Estoy tan emocionado para cenar esta noche. Alright guys, it's time to try the spaghetti tacos from iCarly. Alright, I'm gonna try now and I won't cap. This tastes like heaven. That's all I gotta say. You know, the taco shell really gives it a nice taste. It's basically kind of like you're eating nachos. And the mushrooms, come on. You had to add mushrooms when you're eating spaghetti. Well, I guess I'm the only one that's eating spaghetti tacos today. My parents and my grandparents, they're like, what the heck? What is spaghetti tacos? Man. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.